Hello everyone, I'm back with another skincare video. If you're seeing me for the very first time, this is Cian here. Do subscribe to my channel before we start. I've got quite a positive response from my last skincare video, so I'm back. In today's video, we are going to talk about 5 things which is super important for aging skin. Now, when we talk about aging, it's definitely not only numbers. For some, the signs of aging could start from the age of 22. I had visible smile lines from the age of 22. For some, it might not affect not even at 37. So it really depends from person to person. I get a lot of questions from my friends. They don't know where to start. And even in today's day, when they have access to all social media, they can buy whatever. They have money, they have exposure to discuss with people, they have options of thousands of products, yet they do not know where to start from. So I thought, why not make this video and help all those people and some of you who might have the same question. Before I say anything, I want to mention that definitely, as you know by now, I'm not a skin specialist. Skin concerns definitely needs to be addressed by a skin consultant. Yeah, let's get started with the video. First signs of aging, not talking about fine lines, shows in 2 parts of the body. One is your neck, another are your hands. In my last video, I have spoken about Jade Roller. If you massage it to your neck, do it for about 2 minutes in your nighttime skincare. You can purchase it from Makooa. Sephora one's little expensive. You can get the ones from Amazon. I've tried a few and Makooa, as for me, were the best. So I will try to leave as many links as possible down in the description box below. Do check them out and do try it for yourself. The second body part are your hands. Your hands are the indicator of your age. For people with dry skin, their hands really age little faster. So we gotta work it out. I mean, if God has not created oil hormones to secrete on its own, why not put it from outside when we have the facility? The hand cream that I'm using right now by Body Shop, there are other options. Neutrogena, Innisfree. Do ensure that you include a hand cream, especially after the whole day's work. Even if you cannot apply it all through the day, try apply it before you go to sleep. If your office has aircon, keep it in your bag and apply it throughout the day when you feel a little dry in your hands. These are small steps. It's gonna last you for the lifetime. Take best care for yourself. Start it today. Let's talk about introducing acid to your skin. Many people has the stigma that acid is not good. No honey, that's not right. Retinol is an acid that I would highly recommend starting 25. First sign of skin getting short is dryness. I hear a lot of people who is just above 25 saying that they are getting their skins dried up. To start using retinol to your skin, it should be in right amount. I would suggest miraculous product, Neutrogena Night Repair Serum. You will see visible change within 7 days. Well, my 4th product would be something that most of you didn't know about. Another acid, hydrogen peroxide. I made a video long back, pedicure at home. Hydrogen peroxide is a wonderful acid that effectively removes dead skin cells. So you can use hydrogen peroxide to get a quick pedicure or quick manicure. Do it every week. The last product on my list is an oil. Body oil even gets more important as your skin matures. It loses elasticity, flow, our skin starts to get even drier. Not only during winters, but body oils are very good during summers as well, that we often tend to ignore. Using body oil not only hydrates your skin, but the massage helps you with better blood circulation, which in turn improves in skin glow and helps with skin elasticity a little more. Try using body oil during even your weekends if you're super busy. That's a small thing that if you even start in your 30s, it will be very helpful in later years. It's just a small step of self-care. If you comment, if you share, this will help reach us to more people. That's everything for my video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.